Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called AI Graphics Kreator, which is a brand new innovative app that create unlimited text to image graphics, illustrations, photos, digital art and much more for your blogs, website, ads and many more without any graphic skills or tools. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.